Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I don't know exactly what's in here. I think I just kind of remember the model names, but I definitely have not seen them or handled them yet. These knives are from Off Grid Knives. Thank you so much to Off Grid Knives for sending these in for me to take a look at. These should all be available. I will link them right down below so you guys can check them out. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and get in here. I'm actually pretty excited. It has been a while. It has been a while since I have taken a look at anything from Off Grid, and I've always enjoyed their stuff. More on the leaning towards tactical, not super tactical, right? But leaning that way while still having fantastic quality. So, pretty excited. We've got something called the Stinger XL, and we have another Stinger XL. There's a little note in here. Here's the newest release of Stinger XL, Blackout with Coyote / Gray Wash. Awesome, thank you so much. Let's see, which one do we want to go with first? There's the Coyote, and there's the Blackout. Let's open the Blackout one. More of a fan. We gotta get in here. With the obsidian toenail. There we go. All right, Stinger XL. Let's take a look. Oh boy, it certainly is XL, isn't it? Look at that. That is a nice grind. Very cool. Very much like that. 154 cm. Very nice. And then we have, it says Crucible. I'm wondering what, does Crucible do 150? Did they make Ingot 154? God, that's smooth. Holy moly. Hold on a second. Oh. Wow. I don't know why I didn't expect it to be so smooth. That was just really bizarre to me. I mean, it's definitely a hefty blade, for sure. It's no slouch. This is a big knife. Let's get out the Coyote one just so that we can have the contrast there. Yeah, okay. Ooh, the Coyote. Ooh, I kind of like the Coyote in gray better. This is a large knife. So we have slightly contoured, I think. Yeah, a little bit of contouring there. Beautiful pocket clip. Off Grid really knows how to. Look at this. Recessed and recessed screws. Thank you. Holy moly. If you go with the black one, obviously, you're not going to see the position for the left-handed mount position, right? Because the filler tab is black. Doesn't look bad on this, though. That gray wash is really nice. I like that a lot. That's really cool. So we have, it's like a spear point blade. Definitely going to excel at puncturing, but since it does not actually drop towards the primary cutting bevel until about midway through the blade, the edge is not horribly thick. It's just thicker than it would be if it started to taper from the spine. Let's give it a little sliceroo here real quick. Oh, it actually has no problem whatsoever. Whoops, caught it there a little bit. Fine. Yeah, we're doing good. It slices. Let you guys look at the, see, a little tiny bit of a lip, but certainly plenty capable of slicing. Big, definitely more heavy-duty style knife with an emphasis on a puncture tip, but you get that grind. That's really cool. I am a big fan of that grind. That's really nice. No, it is not sharpened, right? It's just a very large swedge. I don't know if they have more versions. Is the gray one exactly as smooth as the... Yeah. These are crazy. Crazy smooth. That's just intense. Holy cow. So, the overall length... Let me move the obsidian toenail here. Not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. Right? Looks like the one on top's bigger, but we're at an angle. So, that's going to be the case. Overall length of the Stinger XL. Holy cow. It is 9 9¼ on the dot. Blade length, 4 inches. Cutting edge. Has 4 inches of cutting edge. So let me put that into perspective here real quick, so you guys can see. Okay. This is a Hinderer XM24. That's what you're looking at there. This is a large knife. Now I know people who carry around the 4 Max and the Spada XL or want to desperately. I need to tell them how big my knife is. We know, all right. We know. We've seen them. Thanks. This is to the average person, this is going to be an XL carryable knife. The nice thing about this is that the rest of it is not so overly hulking that it makes it difficult to carry. But we do definitely have, there's some decent thickness there. Let's take a look here at the blade stock. Let me switch to inches there real quick and zero it out. I bet that's still 155 to 165. Yeah, 157. So it's definitely still a fairly thick blade stock. A lot of that disappears when it goes into the swedge, though. And, full liners. Quite a bit of G10 there. I do like that it's not just a flat piece of G10. This is definitely a little bit nicer finish. I'm going to guess that this is probably in the medium range as far as pricing. It is 154 cm steel and G10, but nicely executed in that department, and there's a lot of it. So I'm not expecting this to necessarily be in budget territory. This is a cool knife, right? And this is exactly what I was talking about when I meant that Off-Grid kind of exists on that ledge between hyper-tactical and utilitarian and sort of modern knife enthusiast world, right? A lot of times with those hyper-tactical knives, you get a whole bunch of stuff that's really completely and totally unnecessary. When you see a lifted Hummer with a snorkel on it, but the dude is from someplace, that's just what he drives around his neighborhood, right? And it's what do you need that for, right? Sometimes that's what a crazy hyper tactical knife looks like to me, right? You get on Amazon and you buy something from Smith & Wesson, right? China. If you don't, a lot of people think, oh, it's Smith & Wesson, it must be USA. No, it's just some very, very low quality OEM, right? These are also made in China, but a much, much higher quality OEM. I believe it's Bestech. It used to be WE, and then it went to Bestech, or it used to be Bestech and went to WE. Either way, very high quality stuff. But a lot of times you see that stuff and it's like Tanto serrated, right? And then you got the seatbelt cutter, and you got the freaking some sort of weird thing that comes out of the side of it, and the pocket clip is all crazy, and there's a bunch of speed holes in it, and a bunch of weird, right? Unnecessary. You kind of get some of that super tactical essence here, but you still have a super ergonomic knife with a nice clip, a nice blade, right? Good materials. You're not, having to wonder what the blade is made out of. It's pretty cool. I like these. These are fun. Off-Grid always manages to do something fun. I mean, it's a liner lock and it's a flipper, right? But they're doing something a little bit different and a little bit more fun than what everybody else seems to be doing in the same general territory, right? A lot of good stuff out there for sure, and there are definitely unique designs. Not saying this is the most unique thing ever, but it's cool to have this grind on this big of a knife, right? It's just neat. I like it. Very cool. All right, so the full comprehensive review once I've had a little bit of time to carry these, and these are mine now, so I will carry them and use them. Once I've had a little bit of time to experience them, I will do a full comprehensive review, so look for that a few weeks down the road. If you want to check them out right now, like I said, there's links right down below where you guys can pick these up if you want. That's going to be pretty much it today. Thanks again to Off-Grid Knives for sending these in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.